Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your Keto Chef, Rob. San Diego. It's known for its military and its burritos. Best burrito of them all, the Carne Asada Burrito. And you know we gotta make that keto. So, let's do this. First thing we have to do is we have to make the tortilla. I have a nice 14-inch cast iron pan. We're gonna start heating it up while we make the dough. So in this recipe, I found that chia seed and flax seed give it the best body, and the finer that you have it, the better. So if I want these to come out like ultra thin, I'll use a mortar and pestle and I'll make sure it's like super fine. However, in the sake of time, I'm gonna use a regular spice grinder because I assume that people have either a spice grinder at home or something to use to mill their coffee in the morning. Once it's properly mixed, we're gonna divide it up into even portions. And the portion size depends on the size of your pan. I'm using this big 14-inch pan, so I'm gonna cut mine up into fifths. And in retrospect, I probably could have cut it into sixths because my tortillas came out a little bit thick. So there's probably a number of ways to do this. I've had the best luck by using 2 sheets of parchment paper, and make sure you use just one hand on the rolling pin to maintain your manliness while you're using a baking utensil. So Carne Asada Burritos, we're gonna be using flank steak, and that is a steak you should definitely be using if you're trying to make legitimate San Diego Carne Asada. Once it's cooked, you cover it in a little bit of lime and some cilantro. Get your fancy cheese out. Yep, that's right, Mexican blend. A scoop of guac and a scoop of pico de gallo. And now here's how to roll a burrito. You tuck in the 2 sides, flip the back flap up and over, give a tuck and a pull back to you, and then roll and just let it sit on the cutting board for a second. Now burritos, they don't get cut. Don't be a rookie. Burritos don't get a cut. But I kind of want that beautiful cross section, so I'm going to give it a cut for the picture. Did I mention that these make amazing breakfast burrito wraps? Share this video with someone you know who would love it. As always, guys, keep it keto, stay healthy. Peace.